Hello Life Insurance. I am making this video so that I can get some of your advice, helps and your appreciations too, guys. So I hope you remember my noise bomb which I unboxed few months ago. I'll give the link over here. So after that I had been playing drum sometimes trying to do, and sometimes I would go like for 2 hours and all, sometimes playing, and I used to think like, what do you think about yourself? Do you think you are a very good player? You are making so much of noise and all. So I have nobody to judge me, guys. So I don't know what I'm learning, what I'm doing. I'm just seeing the YouTube and doing some things which they are showing. So I'm just going to show you how much I've learned, and I feel it's like 0.5%. I think I've learned 0.5% of the drum. So I'll show you, and guys, do give me your advice. Don't troll me, guys. Just advise me for my benefits and tell whether it's at least 5.5% I have improved. And so first I'll show you without any things where I keep the sticks, guys. So without any music, let's see how it hears. Guys. This one more tune also without music, okay? Once, guys, one sec. One, two, three, four. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying learning with the YouTube videos and also little trying to get, and little bit I'm playing with music, so I can't play other music and all. So we'll play our channel's music. So with the one which we play with the starting, guys. Let's see. Okay. We'll try once again, guys. We'll try once again. So let's try with another music. We'll try this one, guys. let's try another music, guys. Not this one. One more. Let's do this one, guys. Sorry guys, if it's making too much of noise, guys, just trying to learn. So please advise me, guys. I hope little bit I have improved, learned a little things and all, little bit. So give me a lot of support, guys. Don't troll me. I will be so much pain in the heart, guys. Okay, sorry. Thanks, guys. Like my videos, share, comment on my videos, guys. Do comment on this video, guys. Give me your valuable advice, guys. Like, tell me if I've improved or not. And thanks, guys, for watching this whole video. And do subscribe to our channel so that I'll get more and more आप लोगों का प्यार and ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and out.